Looking to hire top professionals for your business or project? This playlist is your ultimate guide to finding and hiring expert freelancers across various fields, including digital marketing, B2B or B2C cold calling, video editing, graphic designing, writing, voiceovers, sales, and more. What you'll learn: how to identify and hire highly skilled freelancers. Tips for negotiating fair deals and setting clear expectations. Strategies to ensure high-quality results without hassle. Whether you need creative designs, expert coding, or powerful marketing strategies, this playlist helps you find the right professionals to get the job done efficiently. Affiliate marketing disclosure. Some links in this playlist may be affiliate links. If you purchase through these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Your support helps keep this channel running and allows me to create more valuable content. Thank you. Freelancer hiring disclaimer. The freelancers featured in this playlist have been recognized for their expertise and high-quality work. While they are experienced professionals, it's always advisable to review their portfolios, check client feedback, and clearly communicate your project requirements before hiring to ensure the best results. General disclaimer. The information shared in this playlist is based on my personal experience and research. I am not a legal or financial advisor. For legal, tax, or business advice, please consult with a licensed professional.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Let us promote your digital services and products online to earn and grow with us today. Thank you for watching this video and have a good one.